I'm Dion from Fireward, Regional Sales Manager South East, and this is the Develon DL280 fitted with the Fireward automatic fire suppression system. The machine is going into waste recycling with Bailey's skip hire. The machine is fitted with a 6 kg single dry powder agent system. As you can see, a series of hoses with nozzles over the known hazardous areas within the canopy of the machine. Engine, hydraulics, electrics, all covered. And as we all know, dry powder single agent is the best thing for killing fires instantly. The detection mounted through all around the canopy area and all underneath to ensure that should that fire reach 180 degrees, the system will discharge within 3 to 5 seconds, being one of the fastest and most efficient ways of dealing with fires. The Fireward manual actuator also has a pressure gauge, which enables the operator to do a daily check to ensure the system is live. In the event of a fire encroaching within the machine, to get the operator safely, pull the split pin, hit the button, and that will give you the time for the operator to get out of the cab. Now you've seen the machine at Pioneer Plant, we're now here at Bailey's Waste Management to talk to Levi, the Operations Manager of Bailey Skip Hire Limited. So Levi, tell us about Bailey Skip Hire.
There's lots of change in the 5-6 years since I've been here. We initially started as just a simple skip hire company, but we've had to expand into other markets such as recycling, like you see behind me today, from cardboard, plastic, wood recovery, full waste management basically.
So why did you choose Fireward automatic fire suppression?
Market leader. I think with the dual system that you guys provide, I think that gives us full safety of the plant. All our kit, from the shredders to the shovels, and ultimately it's safety of our staff.
What would you say to others within the recycling industry about automatic fire suppression?
It's a must. That's the first port of detection. I think with a system like yours, it gives sufficient time to hopefully address it before it becomes a big issue. Fires typically is a hot topic at the minute. Too many battery fires are happening. Dust build-up on engines, hot works, exhaust.
So brand image is very important to Bailey Skip Hire, which is one of the reasons why you invested in Fireward fire suppression. How do you find the overall service from us?
Top notch. I think from the self in terms of sales, after sales, keeping on top of it, your service engineers are bang on point. You fit it around us when we have the so-called downtime. You fit it in at the weekends if needed. So yeah, you work with us, certainly not against us.
As we all know, fires are a regular thing. They're always a when, never an if. That's why it's important to consider your operators, your assets, and your own brand image, and protect it with Fireward automatic fire suppression.